We're going to cast on 2 colors at the same time. Start by holding 2 colors of yarn together and making a slip knot. This is for the edge of our cuff, and I want this dark blue color to be at the edge of the cuff, and the white is going to be the main part. We're going to do the long tail cast on. When you're doing the long tail cast on, have the color you want on the edge of your cuff around your thumb, and then the color that will be part of the sleeve, that's going to be on your index finger. I'm casting on 40 stitches. So you can see that I've just cast on 4, and the blue is at the bottom and the white is on the top. We're going to pull this out at the end. We'll go up to 40. And I've pulled the yarn out of the middle of both balls. There we go. And now I've lost count. 5, 10, 13. For those of you counting along at home, 24, 25, 26. 32, 38, 39. Is that 39 or 40? We're going to count again. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Beautiful. So now we're going to slide these over to the other end, and we're going to pull out that first slip stitch. Great. Okay, now we're not going to need the blue again for a little while, so I'm going to go ahead and trim that. There we go. All right, and now we're going to join in the round.